Find a place to sit or lie down with your eyes closed. Look for something in the Goldilocks zone, not too warm nor too cold, too hard or too soft, a place with minimal interruptions. As a computer or cell has a docking station to recharge batteries, this is your recharge space, to replenish up to full. Gently lay a hand on your stomach and the other on your chest. Your hands show how much movement breathing involves, which is too often ignored. Take some breaths and feel what your hands are doing. Are they going up and down? Does one hand move more than another? Do they move the same way with each inhale and exhale? Can they relax enough to let breathing guide them? Beginning now with some belly breathing. As you inhale, let your chest stay where it is. All the movement should occur in your belly. Feel your hands and arms. The hand on your chest should move only slightly, but the hand on your belly should move up and down like a feather, being blown upwards with an inhale and falling back down with each exhale thanks to gravity. Light as the air inside you. Belly hand raises on the inhale, lowering on the exhale. Your belly a balloon filling, then shrinking, always keeping its integrity, bobbing up and down. Your belly hand floating like a boat, cresting gentle waves. Inhale up, exhale down. Bobbing up and down. Floating up and down. What about the hand on your chest? On your exhale, pull your stomach in and keep it drawn in as you inhale, letting all the expansion come from your chest. You'll notice your chest hand doesn't rise as high as your stomach hand did, and that is natural. It is to be expected. Your rib cage limits chest expansion, but this is a power breath. Your chest charges with empowering oxygen, ready for what meditation or activity has in store. Feel your chest spread out in all directions, pushing your shoulders apart. Your shoulder blades moving away from your spine, stretching in new ways. Perhaps you feel muscles all the way into your hands adjusting. Spreading out, coming back. Pushing apart, pulling together. Chest rising and falling, letting the vertebrae gain new space to straighten your spine. Chest raises, pulling on your neck, then lowers, air expended. Your body drifting back into dissipating stillness before opening back up with an inhale. Taking in and releasing. Breathing in, breathing out. Rise and fall. Let your chest rest and go back to belly breathing, the breathing of contemplation and introspection. Now let your hands come to rest in your lap or by your side. Come to breathe without focusing on the belly or chest. Breathe without expectation. Fill, exhale, rise up, fall back. This is your cycle. What beat is your metronome from inhale to inhale or exhale to exhale? Can you tell time by it? Now it's time to move our focus. Between the anus and vulvar scrotum is the perineum. It is a point where back and front energies meet to form a continuous cycle of movement, even when we are at our most still. This spot filled with nerves is always present and deserves awareness for living fluidly and smoothly without jittering motions and lockups. As you breathe in and out, feel this area pulse with warmth and potential, ready to expand and serve as a conduit like a pipe joining two waterways. Inhaling, draw your energy or awareness up the back of your spine until you feel a blockage, hindrance, an area perhaps too warm, too cold, or solid feeling, unmoving. Stop here and exhale. Breathe in and out from the spot. Let the energy pulse and radiate as possible. If you can lighten and dissipate the blockage, move on. Otherwise, stay here, working with the tenderness of first love. There is no rush, no finishing line, no prize. This is about working on you, and we are all different but with the same issues. As possible, inhale and move your energy from perineum up your back and over your head to your upper lip. You might be able to do this in one breath, but if not, pause and take a second or third to track from perineum up the back of your spine, up over the crown of your head to your lip. Exhaling, move down your front, bottom lip to chin, chin to neck, going down the front of your torso and belly, back to the perineum starting point. Like the inhale up the back, stop your downward track when you feel a constriction. Exhale and inhale from the spot until you are free in your travels again. This might take a minute, a day, a week, or more. Balance and fluidity is the goal, not a time or date stamp. This is not an appointment on your calendar, but you. From perineum, inhale up the back and exhale down the front, stopping at whatever waypoints make themselves known. Each time, new hurdles to freeing the course might percolate up as you work. You are peeling back years of stress and alignment issues that are now under your awareness. A block at the beginning is nothing more than a location in a continuous loop, now gaining consciousness. Location, a blip in a cycle. No forcing, no pressure, awareness. Awareness of how we hold ourselves, how we sit, lie down, move, how we breathe. This is inner Qigong, or yoga moving in stillness. Inhale and exhale, your lungs, chest and belly still doing their expansion and release. Another endless cycle occurring simultaneously, holding your space. Can you feel both cycles at the same time? Let your breath take center stage, directing you back to belly breathing. In and out. And letting the stomach go simply, breathing. Can you hear your breath? What else do you hear? When you are ready, open your eyes and bring your cyclic awareness with you into outward activity. Thank you.